Welcome to Lifestone TV. We cover personal development and so much more. I'm Marcelle. In this video, I'm going to talk about changing your environment using rose quartz. Let's get right into the video. When you are kind to others, you are also kind to yourself. To change your environment, you can use any crystal, but for this video, I'm going to focus on rose quartz. Rose quartz comes in different sizes, colors, shapes, and grades. This is a polished rose quartz, and this is a raw rose quartz. These are the universal properties of rose quartz. Rose quartz is considered the stone of love, gratitude, beauty, and grace. When hacking my environment using rose quartz, I place rose quartz on my windowsill. I also carry it in my bag, and I'll place it wherever I am. And every time I see my rose quartz or hold it in my hand, I am reminded of its energy and the intention that I gave it. Rose quartz is the ultimate self-care crystal for me, and it reminds me to have a generous heart and show compassion to myself and to others. Rose quartz connects to the heart chakra. Rose quartz was first used for anti-aging. I also love to bathe and massage with rose quartz. Whether I'm using rose quartz to massage my body and my face, or whether it's during a candle ritual, I use rose quartz to set my intention. I'm reminded to say my affirmations and stay on track with my goals. Today I'm going to share 2 affirmations that I associate with rose quartz. I am grateful for all in my life and all that is yet to come. I allow the gifts of the universe to pour into me. I overflow with irresistible confidence. Rose geranium essential oil goes hand in hand with rose quartz. 2 of our products, which can be found on lifestoneusa.com, feature rose quartz. Infinite Gratitude, featuring rose geranium essential oil and rose quartz, as well as our Enchanted Rose soap, featuring rose quartz and rose geranium essential oil. Our Enchanted Rose soap features rose quartz embedded within the soap. As you use the soap, you can massage as you bathe. Invite a rose quartz crystal into your life today. Thanks so much for watching the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram at Lifestone USA. Thanks so much, and peace and gratitude.